Midnight Ramblings, Season 2, Episode Unknown. I have a scientific theory. You do now. Tell me more. I do. It's a great scientific theory. I say we can make a business out of this. Light is sound. Yeah. Light and sound are the same thing. Hello. So, in theory. Come in. Light. The reason why light is dim something really cool is because it simply got a commercial for energy and becomes ultra high frequency sound. 9900. This is the basis for a mechanical system called active color radar. Introducing color radar. See in the dark, underwater, in space. Equipped to most modern spaceships, you can now fly over 999 million miles without a single problem because you can see in the dark. Why? Color radar is viable and cheap. For only $300, where'd you get that? You can equip a 900-mile ship. I now realize that could be taken wrong. Not literal. You know, that's quite useful. I can see that changing the exterior of space travel in the future. And one transmitter. You're a brilliant kid, you know that.